maybe he won't run. Try to open it.
Should we toss? Oh my.
Give me a little-
He'll come back. Isn't he cute? Yeah, hunger is overcoming all his shyness. Look at that. I mean, if we opened the door wider, he'd just walk right in. What a sweetheart. He is going to come right in the house. I'd close the door a little bit. See if I can move close to the door. Oh, he's sniffing your camera.
Oh, you put the camera out there?
Yes, and he's sniffing
What a
Ethan's
great idea.
camera. And you're making him nervous. Noah? I still don't know whether it's a male or a female. It looks like a female. Wait, let me... Oh my God, he will come in the house.
I think you will. Gotta keep the door shut from now on.
Well, yes. But right now I'm going to leave it open a crack.
Hey, Mom.
He's so sweet. Yeah.
I might just go into Ashland now.
Sure.
I'll assume that they'll be open by the time I get there.
Okay, those 3 items are on the microwave.
Oh, fuck.
Oh my.
I don't know.
Oh my Lord. He will eat right out of your hand. That scared him. But not enough.
Hi, little fox.
I can see we're making you nervous, but not nervous enough.
Bye.
Okay, I think that's it.